Eto na ang integers.
Paano ba kasi yan, baby? Kahit i-calculator ko pa na ilang beses, hindi ko ata makukuha yung sagot eh.
Ganto kasi yan, baby.
Para matulungan kita kung saan ka nahihirapan. Hindi ko marinig. Gusto mo ba mas ito para tumaas yung grades mo? Tumaas?
Pero baby, may tanong ako.
Ano yun?
Ano yung integer?
Ganito kasi yun. An integer is a whole number that can be positive, negative, or zero. Yung mga examples ng integers ay hindi i-include yung fractions or decimal. For example, yung integers, negative 5, 0, and 6.
Pero may tanong ulit ako. Di ba sinabi mo na integer is 0 or positive or negative? Kasali ba doon yung fractions or yung decimals?
Sabi ko, hindi kasama doon yung fractions or decimal kasi yung tawag doon decimal.
Okay. Baby, tara solve tayo ng mga math problems.
Sige, hindi ka dun sa room. May mga prepare ako para sa'yo.
Wait lang!
No, that's wrong. Let's break up. I want to find someone better than you.
What? But you're not even teaching me.
I already taught you that like 3 weeks ago. Why did you even forget that?
Because I'm forgetful. You know what? Fine. Let's break up. I'll find someone at the same level in math as you.
Eh di mas maganda, mas makakahanap ako ng kagaya ko. Magaling sa math. Maganda. Yun. Ikaw. Sabay yung kasabihin ka. Eh di mag-walk out ka. Eh di mag-walk out ka. Teka, nasan siya? Alam mo, wag na nga lang. Tabi! Tawagan ko na.
Tapos, no, let's move on to addition. Pagkatapos yun.
Mag-apply na lang kaya ako pang tutor sa tutoring session. Baka sakaling gumaling naman ako sa math. Kagaya ng sinabi ng Ella ngayon.
Hey, do you want to apply for a tutoring session in the subject of mathematics? Well, not to worry. We offer those services. Just go to the library and you can register there.
Mag-a-apply ba ako? Ay, oo. Magpa-tutor ako para kasing level ko si Ella.
Hey, do you want to apply for a tutoring session in the subject of mathematics? Well, not to worry. We offer those services. Just go to the library and you can register there.
Pag nag-apply ako sa tutor, may chance na maging tutor ko si Kate. Kasi alam ko naman na gusto niyang matuto sa math para sa akin. Or delusional lang ako. Punta na nga ako. Para saan po yan? Para sa tutoring session. Kailan po? Bukas. Sige. Maaari na po ba akong makipag-apply? Sige. Isign mo na lang ito. Tutoring session.
When's it gonna happen?
Tomorrow.
Can I pre-register now?
Sure. Sign it.
Ella? Baka ibang Ella naman. Madami namang Ella sa mundo.
The next day.
So today's the tutoring session, right? Yeah, just go straight ahead there. Just wait for your tutor to arrive. Thank you.
Hey, today is the tutoring session, right?
Yeah, but we only have one tutor here. She's right there. Just go straight ahead.
Okay, thank you. Si Ella ba yun? Baka mali lang nakikita ko.
Ikaw na naman. Sabi na nga ba? Ini-stalk mo ako na.
Hindi mo naman ito tumulong sa'yo. Nandito lang ako pa sa tutoring session na yun.
Ikaw? Shoot ko? Gusto mo na naman magpaturo sa akin para ma-follow ako sa'yo?
Ang delusional mo.
Mas delusional ka. Bakit ka pupunta sa tutoring session nito? Kahit alam mo na ako lang naman dahil nagtuturo sa'yo. Papagpalit mo ba ako?
Ano, huwag mo lang na mag-away. Turuan mo na lang ako pa matapos na dito.
Fine. Kung yan yung gusto mo, tuturuan kita.
Tara, susunod.
What is an integer?
An integer is a whole number that can be positive, negative, or zero. Integers do not include fractions or decimals. Examples of integers include negative 5, 0, or 6, 7. Since we've already discussed about integers, let's discuss about adding integers. Now, integers depends on the signs of the numbers. If the signs are the same, add the numbers and keep the signs. But if the signs are different, subtract the smaller number from the larger number, then use the sign of the number with the greatest absolute value. For example, negative 8 plus negative 5 equals negative 3. Same sign, so we add and keep the negative sign. Another example is positive 12 plus negative 7 equals 5. Signs differ. So we subtract 7 from 12 and keep the sign of 12. Just as a mini explanation, this works because positive numbers move right on the number line, while negatives move you left. Got it? Subtracting integers. Subtracting integers becomes simpler when we change it into an addition problem. So the subtracting rule is KCC, or keep, change, and change. First is keep the first number. Second, change the subtraction sign to addition, and change the sign of the second number. Examples are 9 minus 14 becomes 9 plus negative 14, which equals to negative 5. And another example is negative 6 minus negative 2. It becomes negative 6 plus positive 2, which equals negative 4. Just a minute explanation. By converting subtraction to addition, we apply the same rules we learned earlier, but on to multiplying integers. When multiplying integers, the sign of the answer depends on the signs of the numbers. Multiplication rules. Same signs equals positive product, while different signs equals negative product. The examples are positive 6 times positive 4 equals 24 because both are positive. Another example is negative 7 times positive 3 equals negative 21, which are different signs. And last example is negative 5 times negative 2 equals 10 because they're also the same signs. Just a mini explanation again. The negative signs cancel each other when they appear in pairs. Let us now move on to dividing integers. Division follows the same sign rules as multiplication. Division rules. Same signs equals positive quotient, while different signs also equals negative quotient. The examples again are positive 15 divided by negative 3, which is negative 5. And another example is negative 18 divided by negative 6 is equal to 3. Just another mini explanation is if we multiply negatives, it cancels out. Dividing negatives work the same. Absolute value. Absolute value refers to how far a number is from 0 on the number line. Absolute value equals always non-negative. For example, negative 9 can be 9. And another example is positive 4, so it's 4. And if 0, then it's 0. Just another mini explanation is absolute value does not mean making a number positive. It means measuring distance, which cannot be negative. Summarize what we have learned today. So for adding integers, same signs, add, and different signs, subtract. While subtracting, add the opposites. Multiplying, same signs equals positive, and different signs negative. Dividing is the same sign rules as multiplication, while absolute value is the distance from 0 in the number line. Mastering these rules will help you solve more complex problems involving equations, integers, and algebra.
If KJ has 1 apple, tas kinuhanan ko siya ng 6 apple, edi 6, 7!
Wow! GG! Action!
Ganito kasi do.
Action!
Paano ba kasi yan, baby? Kahit i-calculator ko pa na ilang beses, hindi ko ata makukuha yung sagot eh.
Ganto kasi yan, baby.